Hi, I'm Hanit Ben Basat, an integrative holistic coach, here to guide you through a body scan meditation. Begin by making yourself comfortable, seated or lying position. You could also do this practice standing if you prefer. Allow your eyes to close or to remain open with a soft gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4 as you inhale. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Allow yourself to be present in this pause, feeling a sense of stillness. Exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, counting to 4. Feel the release of tension as you let go of your breath. Hold your breath for another count of 4. Empty in your lungs and begin by bringing your attention to your natural breath. Noticing the natural flow of inhalation and exhalation. Allow your breath to guide you into a state of even deeper relaxation. Feel your stomach expand on the inhale and relax. And let go as you exhale. Begin to let go of noises around you. Begin to shift your attention from outside to inside yourself. If you are distracted by sounds in the room, simply notice this and bring your focus back to your breathing. Shift your attention to the sensations in your body and notice any areas of tension, discomfort, or relaxation. In this meditation, as you scan each part of your body, bring a curious and non-judgmental awareness to the physical sensation you encounter. Notice the feeling of warmth, coolness, tingling, or any other sensation that arise. If you come across areas of tension or discomfort, gently direct your breath to that area, imagining your breath flowing into those spaces, bringing relaxation and release. As we continue to scan the entire body, taking your time and being fully present in each moment. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the sensations in your body without judgment or frustration. Just allow yourself to fully experience each moment as it unfolds. Now slowly bring your attention down to your feet. Begin observing sensation in your feet. You might want to wiggle your toes a little, feeling your toes against your socks or shoes. And again, just notice without judgment. You might imagine sending your breath down to your feet, as if the breath is traveling through the nose to the lungs and through the abdomen all the way down to your feet. And then back up again, out through your nose and lungs. Perhaps you don't feel anything at all. That is fine too. Just allow yourself to feel the sensation or not feeling anything. When you are ready, allow your feet to dissolve in your mind's eye and move your attention up to to your ankles, calves, knees and thighs. Observe the sensations you are experiencing throughout your legs. Breathe into and breathe out of the legs. If your mind begins to wander during this exercise, gently notice this without judgment and bring your mind back to noticing the sensations in your legs. If you notice any discomfort, pain or stiffness, just simply notice this. Observe how all sensations rise and fall, shift and change moment to moment. Notice how no sensation is permanent. And just observe and allow the sensations to be in the moment, just as they are. Breathe into and out from the legs. And then on the next out breath, allow the legs to dissolve in your mind and move to the sensation in your lower back and pelvis, softening and releasing as you breathe in and out. Slowly move your attention up to your mid-back and upper back. Become curious about the sensation here. You may become aware of sensation in the muscles, temperature, or points of contact with furniture or the bed. And with each out breath, you may let go of tension you are carrying. And then very gently, shift your focus to your stomach and all the internal organs here. Perhaps you notice the feeling of your clothing, the process of digestions, or the belly rising or falling with each breath. If you notice opinion arising about these areas, gently let this go and return to noticing sensations. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to the chest and heart region and just notice your heartbeat. Observe how the chest rises during the inhale and how the chest falls during the exhale. And take another deep breath and let go. On the next out breath, shift the focus to your hands and fingertips. See if you can channel your breathing into and out of this area, as if you are breathing into and out from your hands. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensation in your hands. And now on the next breath, on the next out breath, shift the focus and bring your awareness up into your arms. Observe the sensation or no sensation that may be occurring there. You might notice some differences between the left arm and the right arm. Again, no need to judge this. Just allow. And as you exhale, you may experience the arms soften and release tensions. Now continue to breathe and shift focus to the neck, shoulders, and throat region. This is an area where we often have tension. Be with the sensations. It could be tightened. maybe some stress you hold in. You may notice the shoulders moving along with the breath. Let go of any thoughts or stories you are telling about this area. And as you breathe, you may feel tension rolling off your shoulders. Take another deep breath and feel a wave of relaxation in this area. On the next out breath, shift your focus and direct your attention to the scalp, head and face. Observe all of the sensation occurring there. Notice the movement of the air as you breathe into or out of the nostril or mouth. And as you exhale, you might notice the softening of any tension you may be holding. And now let your attention to expand out to include the entire body as a whole. Bring into your awareness the top of your head down to the bottom of your toes. Feel the gentle rhyme of the breath as it moves through the body. Breathing in renewal energy, breathing out same energy. Again, in renewal energy and out all around you, renewal energy. As you come to the end of this practice, take a full deep breath, taking in all the energy of this practice, and exhale fully, expansion. And when you are ready, open your eyes and return your attention to the present moment. As you become fully alert and awake, consider setting the intention that this practice of building awareness will benefit everyone you come in contact with today. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time.